Some people say, oh, this wig they are wearing is Mami Wata. You don't have money. It's not Mami Wata. You don't have money.
So guys, how about I tell you, this is my first time actually face camera install my hair, okay? So let's install my wig. Everything competition. Come here. Let me show you what you can use and use it and make it as a competition. So join me and let's install my hair as a first time ever face this camera and install my wig. Then I'll be telling you those things there you can use it as a competition, and those is there is not good to use it as a competition. Hi sweetie, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to install my wig first time ever as a new beginner who try to be perfect. Okay, so I'm going to tell you why I decide start install my wig alone. Okay, so first of all, so what you are going to know, let me tell you about me. First of all, my name is Angela, which is aka Ife Olua, mom of 4 children living in Europe, marriage. So as I say, let's start. So as an immigrant living in another person's country, what I have to learn is how to adjust myself. Okay, so living in another person's country, another person's land, and is totally another person's caution. So is what I have to do is just adjust myself to any situation I find myself. So guys, I never knew that one day like this I'll be facing camera or face my mirror, install my wig alone. Which is, people say that even you are a billionaire in your country, coming abroad will totally humble you. Okay, you have to adjust yourself. Okay, so why I pick encouragement start to install my wig is, first thing I do is me to adjust myself to any situation I find myself. Okay, so first of all, as I start telling you guys for beginning that it's not everything person use as a competition, and there's something that is good to use it also as a competition. So first thing that is good to use it as a competition as a woman or any woman, be woman or man, is where you see your fellow woman learn some special handwork that you know that handwork can add some value in yourself. Okay, first of all, about competition, then it's good to use something that you know it will favor you as a competition. Okay, the same way it's not good to use something that you know that is not going to favor you as a competition. Okay, competition there for many way. That particular thing we people will understand is where you see somebody buy something and you go ahead and buy the same thing is competition. Yes, that one is a competition hustle, but that one is a very, very wrong way competition. Okay, because end of the day you compete yourself with somebody that you don't know how she get that thing or how he get that thing, particular that thing that you go ahead, use your last card and buy it. Okay, so that one is a wrong competition making. Okay, so it's good to do competition with the right thing. Okay, that is why I love particular Igbo people. They used to make competition for investments, not walleting. Where I say walleting, not a hair, not a cloth, not a shoe, or not a car. Okay, where they are talking about competition is, I don't have 3 mansion for this yellow. That kind of competition is good to make it. Okay, so another competition again, like first one is where you see your fellow man is investing something like billing, investing money from property to property, billing everywhere, but not a car, not a crowd. Okay, those things that is not good to use at a competition is car. Okay, never see someone buy car and you go and buy it as a competition, because that one is not the right competition. It's where you see someone buy something like a house, then you decide to take the challenge and buy it by yourself. That one is very, very good competition, and it's very, very okay hustle. And also where you see someone that he learns some particular handwork and he is doing well with the handwork, or she is doing well with the handwork, and you decide that, okay, I want to copy from this person also to learn how to do this. Like, I want to do competition with this person, then to learn how to do this. That one is very, very good competition that me by myself I love to make sometime. Okay, and it's just like where I start putting myself to content creator, which is put myself to YouTube or social media platform, I will just watch another content creator. Then I will like, okay, I want my video be this kind of person. I want my content to just like relate to this person's video. Then I will decide to copy from that person. That one is the right competition, because that way is how to make money. Okay, so if you don't understand me, let me know in the comment section. Okay, and also if you guys want me to just make video and explain myself properly, what is a meaning of competition, and those things is good to use and make competition, and those things is not good to use as a competition, let me know in the comment section. Definitely I'm going to do the video. Okay, so that is it. Okay, so guys, if you really want to hear the full meaning about competition, those things is good to use as a competition, and those is not good use as a competition, let me know in comment section. Definitely I'm going to do the video here. But for today, tell me, how do you see my hair? Tell me, how do you see my hair? 10 over 10 minus nothing. So what I need from you guys, just tell me which style this hair deserve. Which style this hair deserve, okay? Like this now, so I don't save my 25 euro for my pocket, right? So just tell me let me know in comment section. So guys, watch the video to the end. If I made mistake or if you don't understand anything, how my first time installing my hair, how it look like, let me know in comment section. Definitely I'm going to explain myself to you people as usual. So watch the end, so that the hair can be very, very lasting. Like this hair really lasts for my skin. I don't even know. But anyway, look at it. Look at it. So then I'll be using hot comb, to remove the hair, to make an look. This is this comb hot though. Go. Sorry, I'm concentrating for the camera because I use the camera as my mirror. I face mirror, but I didn't just like to use the camera. Look like, okay, so if I told you that this hair grow from my skin, like this is my really hair, definitely you are going to believe me that this is my really hair. Okay, look at it. Look at it. Can you see it? Can you see it? Can you see it? Can you see it? You see it? Yeah, I should do that same. Look at it. Okay, so I will apply my methyl spray. Just be using my hand because I don't want it to be too much. So guys, I dry up the mating spray, then I'll be putting the pencil, like the color again. So I'll be just use my hand because I don't want to. Just like make sure that you use your own color, okay? Your skin color. I use my hand apply because I don't want it to stain my face.
Let's talk about you and me. Help you take off all your laundry. Mess around and make a movie scene. Ooh, babe, come do what you say to me. Girl, you got it jumping over the fence. Girl, you got me living on like a baby rent. Baby, you're so confident. You know what you want from me. The only one that know me that way when you say you ain't over me. You say I'll take it from me. You say you say you say you say you say you say oh 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 oh. You say you ain't over me. You say I'll take it from me. You say you say you say you say you say you say oh 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 oh. And you know nothing can hit this. You're so aggressive when you talk to me like this. Let's talk about you and me. I've been took off with the laundry. Let's run on the movie scene.
So see?